Welcome everybody. So today we have a 2020 Bentley Continental GT. It is a 6.0 liter W12 all-wheel drive. This is actually called Extreme Silver. It's got like a pearl almost coat to it. I'm gonna see if we can get you guys to check it out today. So right here we have the Carfax. You got 4 service history records, no accidents or damages reported, 2 previous owners, last owned in Montana. So very clean car, no wear and tear on the car. If there is, I'm going to show you today. So let's go ahead and just do a little lap around the car. I'm going to try to point out any dents or scratches, anything that I see that's not dirt. And today we're going to be really just mostly talking about this car, not really all the Bentley Continental GTs. Right here I could see a little baby dent. You could probably see it right there. It's the only thing I see here. And then maybe another baby dent right here. You can see it there, but that is about it. I don't see any other dents on the car. Let's go right into it. I'm gonna jump straight in. Door handle. As soon as you open it up, we're gonna get that interior right there. You can see all the details on the panel. Looks really nice. All the details on the floor. Still brand new. Remove the seat back, and you can see all the real nice details on the seat. All that nice wood grain color with the stitching. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna give the car a little start. Nice little cold start there. Here's the panel. Make sure the lines work. So that's not a sunroof, it's just a panel with a glass. So that the roof doesn't actually open up, but it is a glass. Alright. So there's no visual wear and tear here on the inside. Looks like nobody really used the car at all. Here's the back seat. We'll get some better lighting in there, but this car overall is immaculate. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the engine. We're going to pop the hood. Okay. Trunk first. Trunk ironically has pretty good space, not bad for a coupe. Go ahead and close this. All right. This is a W12 engine from Bentley. Very nice, very clean.